Hello, there's the problem? There's a car crash. Okay, I'm on my way.
He was a young boy that lives at Canada. And he was dead in Brookhaven because it was a car crash.
Where do we meet him?
Are you stupid? Is at the grave.
Well, okay, so where is the grave?
Is on left side of the hospital, you're idiot.
Wow, his name is Billion. He must be a billionaire. Let's go to the church, and maybe the church man will give me a wish. Hi, church man.
What do you want?
Can I please get a wish?
Okay, just one wish.
I wish that I want to meet the Billion guy.
Okay, you will meet him at the school theater.
The church man said that I will meet him at the school theater. He is not here. I can't believe that I got scammed. Wait. What the fuck?
Hi, I'm the Billion guy. Thanks for bringing me back. Follow me now.
Is that the dark blue 63 tier? Oh my god.
Yes.
So cool, I always want this car. This is my favorite car. So what do you do for your living?
I don't share what I do for my living.
Well, good for you, bitch. My plan works all the time.
My plan works again. I get the church man 100 million, so he doesn't be mad at me. Now who do I choose next? Like and subscribe, so you don't be the next one to be at a car crash.